Look at him trying to swim. Bobbing around. Never mind the fact that he just got a bath yesterday. I'll just try to forget about that.
Look at you. You're a good dog.
Does he like it? Is he just drinking the water, or what's he doing?
He's swimming. He is.
Look at your paws go! A little bit rocky.
You're okay.
Does he seem like he wants to get out?
No, he's alright. You okay, buddy?
Good job, Jake Jake.
Yeah.
What do you think, Izzy? What do you think? Is this pretty interesting?
Funny.
That's the closest to the edge she's ever gotten. She's worried that we're hurting him, I bet. Oh, we're running low on battery on this thing, by the way. Forgot about that. So we might be almost out of time to see Jake Jake swimming around. Okay, why don't you leave him be? Look at him holding his head up. Oh, leave him and see how he does. Jake Jake, can you come over here? No. Does he look freaked out?
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay. All right, this is, yeah. So, yeah, let him go and see what he does. He's holding his head up. Good job. Good job, dude.
Jake.
Look at you swim.
But this thing is tighter, dude.
His paws keep going. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, he's so cute. Why would you want to make it, why are you making it tighter and tighter?
Because he's all rolling around in it.
Oh, okay. I don't want him to feel like